What is up, babes, and welcome back to another video. If you're new, welcome. In today's video, I am bringing you guys some cleaning motivation. I gotta get my home clean. Also, as you guys can tell, I had to make two stops, one to Costco, and then I had to stop at Walmart to get a few items to restock our home because we added some things. And then you guys are also gonna see us cleaning our fruits and getting those stocked in the refrigerator. Getting that refrigerator clean is the ultimate goal today. So Gabby wanted rice paper and they have it here in Walmart. She just got lucky.
There's no need to complicate things. Let's stick to the basics. We both know what we want. Let's just keep it simple. Oh yeah, oh yeah.
Okay, so over here is a judge-free zone. Now, I have no clue what my kids spilled in the refrigerator, and it's not coming out. So at this point, I have to let it soak for a little bit while I'll take everything else out of my refrigerator and get all of that cleaned. And then I'm going to clean the shelves and the surrounding areas. And of course, I love to use Dawn Power Wash. If you guys know of something else that's even better to clean this refrigerator, please let me know. Because my refrigerator is always a big chore. For some reason, it's like the kiddos go in it, they just spill stuff and they do not wipe it up. So, let's do this.
Oh yeah. We dance on the same wavelength. This feels like a new beginning. We both know what we want. Let's just keep it simple. Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah. So won't you let me trip with you? Leading on fire, leave us till tomorrow. So won't you let me trip with you? Leading on fire, leave us till tomorrow. So won't you let me? So won't you let me? So won't you let me?
So let me tell you guys, after I soaked, scrubbed, and everything else, my mom says, "Hey Megan, don't you have a steamer?" Yes, guys, I have a freaking steamer, and I could have got that out. I didn't have to wait and let it soak or do anything else. But anyway, I had to take the other shells off because they needed to soak a little bit, and they were just too messy. Just wiping them down, spraying them and wiping them down was not doing the job. So I took everything out.
Promise straight up. Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah. Oh, we're higher than the ceiling. I feel everything is spinning. I was feeling down low. You just brought me straight up. Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah. So won't you let me trip with you? Leading on fire, leave us till tomorrow. So won't you let me trip with you? Leading on fire, leave us till tomorrow. So won't you let me? So won't you let me? So won't you let me? So won't you let me?
Right, so I'm putting everything back into the refrigerator, and then I have a problem. You guys are going to see here in just a second. I do not like this design. I need somebody to help me because I don't know how to get in here and get it clean. Like, I'm looking for little pockets to see if I could run water through it. And I don't even see, well, I see something right here. Maybe we'll try running some water through there. So that didn't work. So yeah, if anybody know how I can clean this, please let me know, because I can't get in here to clean it. I don't understand how all that can get in there, but I can't get in there to clean it at all.
ride. Either you feel it or
She made the team.
Hey, my mommy's channel. I'm Gabriella, and I made the team.
In 5th grade, Island Drew and
I made the team.
Excuse me, Gabby.
I made the
so that's like almost.
or you don't mind, give it a try, yeah. Our bodies collide. Baby, you're everything I want. Let's give it some time, yeah. Somebody told me I should hit and run, but they don't know, they don't know, they don't know. Nobody knows but us how we roll, how we roll. Nobody knows what we got but us, but us. Let them keep talking, let them believe that they know, 'cause they don't, no they don't, no they don't. Let them believe that they know, 'cause they don't, no they don't, no they don't.
What you guys think? I was just showing my husband on FaceTime. So I bought these because they made me smile. Because I said I wasn't buying a whole bunch of stuff anymore at the moment. Anyway, I bought these because they look so realistic and they made me smile. Because sometimes if you see something that makes you smile and it fills your heart, then why not? So everyone in the store, at first I'm like, you know what, I'm gonna just put this back because it was $39.99. I'm like, do I really want to buy this for 40 bucks? Even though I've seen these way higher than that. I couldn't. I mean, everyone in Costco yesterday, they're so beautiful. Oh, they're just gonna make you smile. And they kept saying, are those real? I'm like, no, they're not real, they're fake. They're just so cute. They look so realistic. They look more realistic than this olive tree.
I feel so alive. When I'm with you, I'm on flight mode. You move me inside, yeah. Then we get disturbed. So many people let me know I should bounce from your world, yeah. Yeah. Somebody told me I should hit and run, but they don't know, they don't know, they don't know. Nobody knows but us how we roll, how we roll. Nobody knows what we got but us, but us. Let them keep talking, let them believe that they know, 'cause they don't, no they don't, no they don't. Let them believe that they know, 'cause they don't, no they don't, no they don't. Let them keep talking, they don't, they don't, they don't. How we roll. Let them keep talking, they don't, they don't, they don't. How we roll.
Okay, I'm just restocking a couple of things in my laundry room, like my OxyClean and my little Downy beads. Also, my Dawn Power Wash. Can't go without the 3 of those items. And then we're going to clean this table and get this floor vacuum cleaned and swept. I said vacuum clean and swept. What is wrong with me? Vacuum clean and mop. You guys know what I mean. But anyway, I didn't want to mess up the groove of things. If you guys are wondering what my nephew was doing, he was scratching my back for me because it is allergy season here in Texas. Don't know if it's anyplace else at the moment, but right now, your girl face is breaking out and I'm itching all over. I just feel like creepy crawlers are always crawling on me at this point. But anyway, let's get this table clean and then we're gonna start cleaning the floor.
Here's to the good days, here's to the sorrows. If this is a mistake, I know about tomorrow. I don't wanna fight no more, cause I don't feel the need no more, no. Just wanna make it
Okay guys, sorry for the noise in the background, but the kids are at home. I'm just showing you how dirty my floor is because I want you guys to actually see what I see when I look at my floor. And this is what I'm looking at right now. This is nothing. Sometimes it's worse than this. But I have to vacuum clean in here, and then I need to run the mop in here. Look, I don't think, sorry, my hands are ashy. I've been washing clothes and other stuff. Anyway, I'm trying to find my little handheld cleaner so I can actually try to clean my chairs today. But if not, I'm going to have to just spray them with that spray that I use on my couch and wipe them down with a cloth. I don't want to do that because it's about time for them to be clean. And usually when we eat at the table, let me turn this chair around. When we eat at the table, sometimes crumbs get in these chairs. Like, I cannot stand it. Watch this. Look at all that. That is ridiculous. And mind you guys, I vacuum these chairs all the time. This shows you right here, my family eat at their dining room table. we put some use in it. That is a mess. Ugh, this is making me itch. I'm telling y'all, I'm itching. Like, I itch when it comes to certain things that I find to be very filthy and dirty. And it's bad because I like going and, finding nice little different objects in the thrift store. And every time I walk in the thrift store, I itch. Are you guys like that? I just don't know. I have to hurry up and get out. Like, I have to hurry up and see if they have what I'm looking for. And I have to hurry up and leave because I just start itching all over the place. So, and if it rains, I know this sounds weird, but if it rains and your house is dirty or your car is dirty or I find my house to be dirty or junky, you're going to find me itching and ready to get out your house or even mine. But yeah. So let's vacuum clean these right quick and then we can go ahead and vacuum clean. I've not used this thing in about 2 years. I wonder do it still work. I don't know, but we're going to find out. It's all dusty. First I'm going to clean it up because I can't be working with nothing like this. Yeah, let's clean it up first.
You start to get dressed and then we cry, cause we both know it's gonna hurt, but not as much as this does. We had a good run, don't say we didn't. I was your first love, and you were my first one. Cheers to all the memories, the venom and the remedies, yeah. Promise I won't forget, yeah. Maybe it's something in the water, or maybe we just hit the end of the road. Right now it doesn't even matter. It's too late not to let it go. And that's why I wish you the best and say goodbye. You start to get dressed and then we cry, cause we both know it's gonna hurt, but not as much as this does. So baby, bye. It's for the best and you know why. You gotta leave me here tonight before we make this even worse. It's gonna hurt even more than this does. We gave it all we had.
Okay, let me tell you guys. So I tried both of my carpet cleaner and my hot, what is that thing called? My Bissell hot something, hot spot clean. It did not work, neither one of them. The smaller one, which is the one I showed you guys that I had told you I had to clean, That one is shorting out all my sockets in the house. And my big one is not sucking up nothing. So what I'm gonna do is, which I've already, this towel is already dirty. I don't know if you guys can tell on camera, but it's already filthy. Like, I've cleaned 2 chairs, and now I'm gonna clean these 2 with a hot rag, a hot towel, that's it. And I'm gonna use this on them for right now, because I know we have to do a deeper clean into them, but that's not gonna happen right now.
So say bye, baby, bye. I'll be, you'll be, yeah, we'll be fine. So let's call it a night, and that's why I wish you the best and say goodbye. You start to get dressed and then we cry, 'cause we both know it's gonna hurt, but not as much as this does. So baby, bye. It's for the best, and you know why. You gotta leave me here right now before we make this even worse. It's gonna hurt even more than this does.
Okay, now that I'm done with those chairs, before I proceed to vacuuming and mopping, I need to put in a load and put my other one into the dryer, because I refuse to be doing something and my washer and dryer is just sitting right now and I have clothes climbing the wall. I know. I need to get better at washing and folding and putting them away. I know this already, and I'm trying. First, I want to say hello to all my new subscribers. Welcome. And I want to know, how was everyone's Easter? Did you enjoy your Easter? So comment below and tell me how everything went. Right here, we're just going to vacuum. And then after, oh my gosh, here she comes. She's on the phone with her dad. And of course, she's going to be popping in and out of my camera as usual. Per usual, right? Everybody else know this, but if you're new, you don't. Anyway, after I get through vacuuming, I'm going to be mopping, and I'm a little distracted because I'm on the phone with my husband and he's fussing about some broker. But anyway, our Easter, so we got up late because we didn't go to sleep on time, so we end up not going to church. And Gabby really wanted to wear her dress, so she decided she was just going to put on some leggings, and everybody was just going to have a cool, calm, and collective Easter Sunday. We still, we praise the one and only. And at the same time, we stopped and went to the movies. I think we went to go see, what was it, John Wick. Pretty good movie. I liked it. I like Keanu Reeves, so. Anyway, we came back home. We had salmon for dinner. And then after dinner, we watched a couple of movies. We're used to watching, like, what is the name of the movie? I forgot the name of the movie, but of course a lot of resurrection movies and everything, and we didn't find any of those. I don't know if it's because I won't pay for Hulu, but Netflix, who else we got? We got a lot of other people, and they didn't have anything. HBO, I didn't find anything on HBO Max. So if you guys knew of something, I didn't see it. We tried to find it, but it wasn't on there, but whatever. So Easter was all good vibes, even though we didn't get the opportunity. I did walk around in my little green dress. Y'all probably seen that for a little bit, just a little bit. But when my mother said movie, I was in them sweatpants real quick. Oh yeah, and the salmon was awesome. I'm gonna show you guys a picture up here. We had green beans, mashed potatoes. We also had some biscuits with it, some homemade biscuits, and then I had some red wine. And the kiddos had juice. So, and don't forget, like I said, our little Easter cake. We had that. So, it was fun.
Don't prove me wrong, prove you right. Don't prove me wrong, prove you right. My word is bond, we don't spit no lies.
free in my mind. Booty.
Just in case you guys are wondering, where am I going with some of the clothes? I'm taking them and putting them in our Goodwill box that we will be taking actually to the thrift store tomorrow because now it is full.
Booty. Booty.
Alright, so I'm going to soak these home edit containers that I bought from Walmart, and I'm just going to soak them in some vinegar, Dawn Power Wash, and hot water. Let them soak for a few minutes. Look at this one. She already stole some strawberries. She just could not wait until mommy cleaned them. And then I'm going to go over here and prepare the strawberries and all the rest of the fruits that I need to clean. But the strawberries, they got to go first because they have to sit for about, I think, about 10 or 15 minutes. I'm going to put baking soda, vinegar, and some water. Fill them all the way up with some water and let them soak. And my mom was telling me my grandma used to do the same exact thing before they ate the strawberries. And now that she said it, now I recall it. It's like it sent me back in time or something. Just watching my grandmother in the kitchen prepare the strawberries. But then after she prepared them, she cleaned them and everything, she put sugar in them. I could not stand that. Strawberries to me were already sweet. Why put sugar on them? Gross. Anyway.
There's a party downtown, someone said that you're coming by. Let me know when you're here, meet me up for a smoke outside. I regret what I said, didn't mean it. Yeah, believe me, I guess I'll take it back. There's a party downtown, someone said that you're coming by. I know that summer was a big mistake. I just hope that we're still okay. You always pick me up and let me down. We're spinning around, losing our minds. Damned if we do, damned if we don't, damned if we give in to what we want. And I always pick you up and let you down. We're spinning around, losing our minds. Damned if we do, damned if we don't, damned if we give in to what we want, to what we want. There's a party downtown, we are drunk and the music's loud. I forget that we're done, that you're back with your girlfriend now. For a minute, I'm back where we started, in that hallway. We couldn't keep our hands away from each other. Did you ever tell her I have to sleep in the bed I made? I don't sleep much at all these days, 'cause you always pick me up and let me down. We're spinning around, losing our minds. Damned if we do, damned if we don't, damned if we give in to what we want. And I always pick you up and let you down. We're spinning around, losing our minds. Damned if we do, damned if we don't, damned if we give in to what we want, to what we want.
Okay, that was nasty. That was pretty gross. Anyway, I'm just going to chop these strawberries up because that's the way my babies like them. And I'm going to put the raspberries in the containers. I think my daughter already did that. I don't know, because she has a problem when it comes to raspberries. Fruit, period, but raspberries, definitely. And then I'm going to put away the blueberries and the blackberries. And have anyone paid attention to the blackberries lately? They look relatively big, don't they? Babes, it's time for me to get up out of here. I'm going to wrap this video up. Until next time, I love you. Bye.